Yes, but hello, famous.
Hey!
Can't. Sorry. All right, pass it.
Hey!
Fax
Oh.
fax machine.
Yes.
Fax machine paper.
Yes.
Abe hires Margit. Abe
Close.
hires Margit.
Oh,
Close.
I know it.
Okay.
Shut up. Abe hires Margit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
You're like
oh,
right
I
there
got
at
that
it.
too. I got it. I got the both of them.
I can't concentrate when
You got market.
Abe hires.
Yeah.
Abe hires.
Slow it down.
B hires.
Colder.
Abe hires.
You got market. So.
Abe hires Market.
Yes, but yeah. What are you saying?
Abe hires Market.
Yeah. Slow the first two syllables
The
down.
first one. Like,
Abe hires.
Market.
Abe hires Market.
okay.
A buyer's
That
market.
one's a buyer's market.
That's a
And
buyer's
the other one,
market.
is it John and Bob Kennedy? It's close
It's
enough.
very, very close.
I know.
It's John and Bobby Kennedy.
Oh.